If you've noticed the Bitcoin price rising and wondering what's going to happen next, then this video is for you. I am Mr. Diamond of the Crypto Diamond channel. I'm going to be going over why Bitcoin price is going up, what to expect with the Bitcoin action, and more importantly, how to keep yourself safe because the scammers are going to be coming out hardcore with the price activity. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all my crypto content, any future giveaways I'll be doing for the Crypto Diamond channel. And like I said, the Bitcoin price right now is standing at $72,260 per token, which is a huge gain, a lot higher than we were expecting this early in the game. I honestly wasn't expecting this until a little after April, so it's kind of scary and kind of cool to see this coming in all at once. There could be some other reasons because the Bitcoin halving, like I said, is in April as well. It is also election year, and more importantly, it looks like China and Russia are coming into the crypto game, as you see here in Forbes magazine. It says it's more dangerous than nukes. China and Russia revealed to be suddenly abandoning the US dollar for a Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP inspired rival amid the crypto price pump. So as you see, Russia and China are both going to be going crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and other major cryptocurrencies have exploded back into the limelight the year amid growing fears of the US dollar death spiral crisis as the Federal Reserve prints $1 trillion every 100 days. And that's one thing that you can't do with cryptocurrency is it can't be printed, it can't be minted, and it can't be created. Once it's there and the supply is done, it's done. So you're not going to see too much inflation with the crypto transfer. This looks scary. This is new tech, so it would take a lot of time for them to actually be able to do anything through crypto. US still has time to get in there, get their securities built in cryptocurrency before anything happens. I'd say at least another year before China and Russia are full mainnet crypto. I have heard rumors about, them testing it out, but I honestly don't know. So if you guys want to get into this, look more into it, you might want to write the US about trying to get more pro crypto and look more into the tech than the prices. It might be good for us to look into that. And let's come back over to the Bitcoin halving. This is Bitcoin halving explained. If you guys want to see any of the resources here at the top of my screen, it is going to be right here below me in the description of this video if you want to check it out for yourselves. I put all my resources here so you guys can do your own research, just like any other investment. Do your research, make sure all the documents are there before you throw your money on it. I was actually looking at a project today that jumped 66,000%, and it's a scam coin. I mean, I don't understand why people are investing in it. It's about an AI that acts like other people on Telegram. I wouldn't invest in something like that, but there's stuff out there. This is why you want to look into the tech so you actually know where you're putting your money and what it's doing. So the Bitcoin halving, which is also known as the halving, it's the name for one of the most hotly anticipated events in Bitcoin history. And that's when it actually jumps from 6.25 blocks to 3 blocks per epoch. So when the miners are mining, every epoch they get 6 blocks. Now it's going to be cut in half to 3 blocks, which means a lot less profit because they're mining a lot less tokens. And that's why you're starting to see the price increase. But if you follow the history of Bitcoin, you do see, let's go to the max here. And as you see with the last Bitcoin halving here around 2020, April or May, we were hitting all-time highs. Then we dropped substantially. It went from 60,000 down to like just around 35, 36K. And then it spiked to an all-time high. So I'm not saying history repeats itself, but it has repeated itself multiple times with the halving the same way. So if you're in this ride right now and you think 70,000 is too high, which I personally, in my opinion, it could be, but the way the world knows about it now, I don't know. The sky's the limit with Bitcoin at the moment, but I am going to be looking for a pullback because there's always a pullback when you see substantial gain. That's just people pulling off the profits that have been sitting at the bottom forever, finally waiting to get their money back. So this happens. This is pretty common. You're going to see the price shoot up, then you're going to see it pull right back like a tidal wave, and then it shoots back up again. It could take a couple months, it could take a couple weeks, but as you look at the Bitcoin history, it's followed since Bitcoin's existence. It does the same thing almost every halving. So this is things you want to look out for, and there's a lot more tech being developed on Bitcoin as well. BRC20, which is layer 2 of Bitcoin running on Ethereum, making it a bit more safe to run, and also adding speed to the Bitcoin network as well. So you're going to see a bit more price action there. I don't know, because now the tech is actually being used. Before, people were investing in Bitcoin so they could develop on it. Now it's actually been developed on. So this is where we're going to start seeing products come out Q3, Q4 this year, possibly next year, the next 2 years. You're going to start seeing crypto products, crypto games, real estate, NFTs, a lot of crypto stuff. You want to look out there. You guys really want to start reading into what's going on out here because the world's going to be changing really fast. And if you want to make any money, you want to jump in as soon as it happens. I'm not saying right now, because there is a bull run right now. A lot of these prices are jumped up. I would honestly wait until you see pullback. You will see pullback. It doesn't go up forever. What goes up must come down. And then it goes back up a little bit. So if you feel it's too late, do your research and then jump in. But I would personally suggest waiting until you see a little bit of pullback. But that's on you guys. I don't know what's going on. If I knew what's going on, I'd be super rich right now. So this is on you. I'm letting you guys know what's going on there. All right, guys. And what I did here is I pulled up an Etherscan contract of a scammer actually scamming my MetaMask wallet for around $3,000. And this is stuff you guys want to look out for. I mean, it is a huge blow to what happened to me. I lost a lot of money there. there. But this is going to help me help you guys, because with the rising prices, you're going to want to keep that wallet separate from an online browser. Unfortunately, I kept mine on Chrome, and I use Chrome for a lot of things. I don't know what you guys personally do. If you're like me, where you put your wallet in your browser, then you do your everyday events, like go to play your games, browse the news, what have you. But it leaves your wallet vulnerable if you leave it on a browser that you're using. So my personal suggestion, if you're going to use a wallet receiving and sending crypto, I would keep one wallet that you change the keys on every 3 months, one wallet on a browser that you don't use, so that browser doesn't touch any website except for just MetaMask or whatever wallet you want to put on there, because nothing can connect to that wallet if you're not using that browser to connect to any sites. So that's one thing you want to look out for. And also a ledger. What a ledger does is it takes your crypto offline, off the network completely, puts it into a USB or cold storage, basically. It's not always a USB, but it's basically USB technology. It sucks that crypto out of the market as a physical asset, cuts the network, so there is no network access, there is no internet access to that token. And when you want to get that token back, then you go to the internet, you connect it, put it into your Meta wallet for sale. Keeps it secure, keeps thieves from taking it. Something you want to look into as well. Some of it can be pricey. I definitely need to look into one myself. I've had one sitting here for about 2 years since the last time that MetaMask got hacked. I probably should have used it. Hindsight, nah, joke's on me, guys. But lessons learned, and I'm trying to help you guys out, because you're going to see a lot of scammers at Discord, Telegram, and other social medias as well, trying to DM you about project and support tickets. Do not answer any direct messages from anybody in any platform. If they're going to answer you for support, they're going to answer you directly in that platform. That's another tip if you're getting into crypto and you're new. Don't ever answer direct messages. All right, guys, now that we went over the Bitcoin scammers, let's jump into the Bitcoin price and close out the video. So the Bitcoin has jumped over 253% this year, almost 52% just this month, 34% in the past 2 weeks, 8% just this week alone, and 4% in the past 24 hours. So Bitcoin is on the rise. Like I said, it's all green, and this is where it gets scary if you jump in, because if you jump in when it's all green, you could definitely jump into danger zone and put yourself in all red. I've done it myself. I've sold myself to the hype, and I've lost thousands of dollars in the process. Up to you if you want to buy in now, because 70,000 could be low. There could be a cap of over 100,000, but this is where you want to do your research and make your own decision based on how you feel the price is going to go. But when I see all greens, I don't start throwing money in. I wait. I missed out on this opportunity, but there's always going to be another opportunity for this to go up again. All right, that's pretty much all I have for Bitcoin, guys, and security in the web. Sorry I've been away from the video making for about 3 months or so, guys. Had to get out and do some life. Now I'm going to be coming back in full force. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on the Crypto Diamond Discord, Crypto Diamond Telegram, and the Crypto Diamond Facebook. Everybody have a great day trading. Goodbye.